The following program was produced by an independent community producer. The opinions expressed do not necessarily reflect those of the Weymouth Community Access staff or its board of directors. WCA, in compliance with FCC regulations, is prohibited from exercising control over the content of independent member-produced public access programming.
Creative Kids.
Hi kids, it's Janelle here. Today we are going to draw a robot. So why don't you go and find something to draw with. You can use a marker or a pencil or anything you might have, and some paper, and we can get started. All right, to do the robot, first thing we're going to do is the head. And it's going to be a square, but with rounded corners. See how I take a little turn there? Go back up, turn around, and then end it with another curved corner like so. Then we're going to do the same thing, but a little bit bigger for the bottom. That will be his body. So I'm going to start here, and I'm going to go out just a little bit bigger. Same rounded corners like I did with the head. Back up and around like there. Okay. Now we're going to, for his two eyes, we're going to do two big circles right here. This is about the size that you want your circle to be. And then another one on the other side. Then do another smaller circle on the inside. Then I'm going to add a mouth. So just do a straight little line like this, and then connect it with a little half circle. Just like so. There. There's his face. Now his arms. Let's go with that. His arms are going to be a curved line that goes down, and then we're going to give him sort of a claw type hand and come back up. So start here. Do the curved line down, and this is what the claw is like. You're going to go kind of loop down and around like so, and then do another curved line back up. So we're going to do the other thing on the other side, same looking type of arm, going in the other direction. Curve that around like so, little claw hands. And then back up. Now for feet, he is going to have 4 wheels with a track on it, kind of like a tank. So, you know, I'm going to start my circle right here. It's a little bit easier if you start from the inside and do it out. So this first circle is going about here. Then another one right next to it. Okay, so we need 2 more to make 4. Add one on each side. We're going to put another circle on the inside. There. Now our wheels are done, and we just need to add the track that goes around. That will help get our robot to move around. All robots need to have a big blinking light on top of his head too. So do a little half circle, and then a line goes across like this for his blinking light. But he needs some control so we can turn him on. So let's put a control panel right here, we can add another rectangle shape. Give him an on button and an off button. And how about a volume? If he gets too noisy, we can turn him down. There's our robot. But you know what? I want to add one more special feature to my robot. I'm going to give him a drink dispenser. So let's add one more control panel rectangle here. Just the right size so that he can give me a drink whenever I'm thirsty. Make an oval like that. That will be the top of your can. And then do 2 straight lines. Go down like this. And then since we're looking in this perspective, then the bottom part will be curving down, just like this curve here. Start here and curve down. A little opening for my drink, some stripes. There we go. Our robot's done. Nice job. Thanks for drawing with me today. So let's make a robot head. I have here a piece of shiny metallic origami paper, and it has a silver shiny side on this side and it's white on the other. But you can use any paper you want as long as it's square. Okay, start with your square paper and fold it in half so the edges line up like this. And open it back up again. Now we're going to take this corner and fold it over to meet with that. So see how it lines up with that crease, and then push down on the fold. And then do the same with the other side. Then we're going to open that all up. Next thing we're going to do is the same kind of folds but in the opposite direction. So now we're going to take this edge and fold it in half like that. Open that back up, and now fold this edge to the middle, and then the same with the other side. Push down on the crease, and then let's do the other side. Just meet that together and push down on the fold. And then when you open this up, you'll have whole bunch of squares on your creases here. Okay, next we're going to take this corner and we're going to fold it down to meet the center of the paper. It will make a triangle shape like this. Next we're going to do this corner. And meet those all together and line them up nicely. And then the same with the other sides. Meet that right down like so. Push down the crease. One more side. Like that. So that's what your finished folds should look about like that. Okay. Now, this crease you see going across this triangle, we're going to fold down so that the point meets the center. That flattens that top part off. Now we'll do the same for the opposite side. You just turn it around, take this point, fold it right down to meet in the center. There, push down on that crease. Now we're starting to get head shape. But we need to give him a little bit smaller ears. These are too big for his ears. So we're going to do the same thing we did with the other ones. You're going to take this corner and fold that down to meet in the center. But then we're going to do another fold where we take this corner and then we're going to fold it just part of the way so that it pokes out from the edge. Like that's how it should look. Then we're going to do the same thing over on the other side. Turn around. Fold this back down to the center. Place that out. And then do that little fold again so that it pokes out. Like that. Then you can take this guy and flip him over and you have the shape for your robot head. So find a marker, or you can use googly eyes, or you can use paint, and we'll give him his robot face. There you go. You've made a robot head. Good job. I'm going to give him a little nose, too.
Hey, Michael, pick up the phone. Someone is calling you. Hey, Michael, pick up the phone. Your phone is ringing. Hey, Michael, pick up the phone. Someone